Stop! Before you buy your next hosting plan, you need to watch this. Today, I'm giving you an exclusive coupon code that's going to slash your costs and give you an extra 20% discount on top of existing sales. If you want the absolute best price right now, stick around. First, click the link in my description. It takes you to a page where you can grab the secret code. Just click Copy Coupon Code, and it'll automatically redirect you to the official site. As you can see, there's already a massive 85% discount happening, but with my code, you're stacking an additional 20% savings on top of that. Now, click Claim Deal. You'll see 3 different plans. Which one you choose is totally up to you, but for this example, let's select the business plan. Check the total price. Since you clicked the link, the coupon is already copied. Just paste it and hit apply. Boom! I just saved an extra $40. This works for the 12, 24, and 48-month plans, making it the best coupon available right now. Don't leave money on the table. Click the link in the description and claim your discount before it expires.